New gear generator. In ZW3D 2024, we added a new generator that can quickly generate a variety of gears and worm wheels, and they can be generated as features or components. Take the external meshing gears as an example. You can set gear parameters such as direction, modulus, pressure angle, and helix angle, and choose whether to generate as a feature or component. Switch to component here. Choose whether to generate a single or double gear. Check Gear 2 here to generate a double gear. And set the tooth number, modification coefficient, and tooth face width. Then you can see the gear mechanism generated. Meanwhile, the gear node generated can be seen in the assembly management. Using spur gear can also generate internal meshing gears, racks and pinions. This is a bevel gear. The required mechanism can be generated using the worm and worm wheel generator. In the dialog box, set the result type as component. Set the insertion point, direction, modulus, pressure angle, and other parameters. Set the worm type as ZA or ZC. And set the number of head, worm length, reference circle, etc. Check Create Worm Wheel to generate a worm wheel. Set the tooth number, modification coefficient, and face width of worm wheel. After that, the worm and worm wheel mechanism is generated, and the corresponding node is generated in the assembly management. The new gear generator in ZW3D 2024 helps engineers to quickly generate the required mechanisms of gears, worms and worm wheels.